Today we are making japchae the easy way, in the microwave. Some people call it lazy, I call it efficient. If you like japchae but hate making japchae, this recipe is for you. And honestly, for me too. Let's go! Chop, mix, microwave. That's literally it. And I almost forgot the hardest step. Subscribing. Your subscription means a lot to me. Probably more than it should. This is the vegetarian version, but meat lovers, don't worry. Just season your beef with salt and pepper and add it in. It's usually made with beef, but feel free to break the rules. I won't stop you. Mix it well and dig in. It's yummy and it doesn't attack you with a mountain of dishes afterward. Did you enjoy today's video? If you did, hit like and subscribe. Got a dish you want me to make next time? Tell me in the comments. See you soon. Bye.